Grabe ang daming naka-check out nitong Binrefill Light Tripod with Phone Holder. Tingnan nyo muna yung sold count at reviews. Kasi karamihan ng tripod mahina, mabilis gumalaw, at hindi stable. Lalo na kung live ka or nag-shoot overhead, hassle talaga. Pero ang kagandahan nito, itong Binrefill Light Tripod may 360 degrees rotation, adjustable height, stable metal base, at may LED light pa. Perfect pang live streaming, overhead shots, at daily content creation. Tignan nyo muna ang sold product, halos sold out lagi. Ang daming good reviews kasi matibay, versatile, at sulit para sa creators. Kung seryoso ka sa live, vlog, or photography, huwag palampasin. Add to cart na itong Binrefill Light Tripod with Phone Holder habang meron pa.